back again to our 3D drawing exercises, and this time it's exercise number 5 with cones. Okay, now you will see that we have a birthday party hat, okay, and we have a sort of a horn and an ice cream cone and a funnel. Okay, so we'll try to draw with this type of form using our number 5 worksheet, and it is the skill for today is cone. So once we have this particular skill, then we can create any type of similar form. Okay, so let's try again. We go back to our, what do you call this again, guideline is a must. Okay, it's always a must. Now we start with the vertical line always, and then horizontal, and then 2 more and 1, so we have 3 there, and we put the dots. Okay, as you see, we have dots there, and once we get those in place, we will now connect the dots. Okay, now you ready? Now remember this part. This is part of the ellipse. Okay, we just mastered ellipse, so ellipse plus something going up there or going down, but then that comes out what form of a cone. Okay, now let's try. Are you ready for this? So let's try here. So first and foremost, we have the vertical line, then from the bottom we can put the bottom line, and then we add one more, and then add one more. Then be sure that we have this both side balance somewhere here, and we got the tip there, and we have the dot. Okay, one here, another one here. Okay, so okay, now remember we have to put the letter C because we're doing ellipse, right? So we can now connect this one here, and we can connect the other one to the dot like so, and connect this. Now if you want not to see the bottom, you can do this, and if you want to see the bottom, then we have to complete the ellipse on the other side. Okay, so that's the practice. Now we do the final, the small one here, the final. Again, vertical line, and then we do 1, 2, 3, and then find the balance for both sides, and then we can connect. Don't forget the dots. Connect, and do like this, and then the ellipse, complete the ellipse. So to finalize that one, okay, so we have this there. So we have this. Now we will do now and with the test. Okay, so let's try the test time. Okay, so again we do the guideline. Let's do the guideline. We can have this as a guide. So okay, so we'll start from here, and down, and we can have this. Okay, and another one, and another one. Okay, and we might go further than this one. Then we put the letter C and draw our semi-ellipse, and then we complete it. So we complete our ellipse there, and we go this way, and wherever you're comfortable you can turn the paper so you can draw a straight line like that. Okay, correct this one. Okay, now we have our guide, and what we can do now is finalize the line. Okay, so finalize the line is we go straight, boom, and turn for us to be able to draw straight, boom. Now we want to see the bottom of the ellipse, so we go this way. Okay, there. Now we have a cone. Of course, you can put the it's a party hat. We'll do party hat. Okay, so this party hat. Okay, then we put what? Put star, put circle, maybe different. Okay, like that. It's party. You like party? I love birthday party. Okay, so we have here, there, and of course we shade because light is coming from the other side, so we put the shades here on this side to have the feel of it's kind of round. Okay, and then we darken inside. Okay, we darken inside somewhere there, and then go light. Okay, then go light here, light because the light starts to enter, but then down there, leave there, it's kind of dark. Okay, there. Okay, then we put the what's that? Is that a string? And then string, so it will not fall. Okay, so there you are. This is our cone. So anything you can think of, okay, like this, using the cone principle, which is this one. Okay, and now you can draw any with the same form. Okay, so there you are. This is our party hat, and I hope you learned something today. Okay, remember guidelines. See this one here, the orange. So you always put guidelines, because guideline will give us perfect drawing. Okay, guidelines very important. Even the professional are doing guidelines. Okay, even now, yes, no professional is not doing a guideline. They always have guidelines because that helps. Okay, so I hope this lesson number 5 will give you a new skill for today, and that's all for today. See you again for the